Hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you from sunny Mumbai. It's an honor for me to walk you through Momentum Metropolitan's new office in Mumbai in India. We are currently outside the campus. Let's begin. Here we are at the lobby of the Q1 building, which reflects world-class infrastructure. Have a look. Now, let's go to 7th floor, where our office is located. As the saying goes, first impression is the last impression, was what we had in our mind for our reception. With the brand team's guidance and involvement, this reflects the brand and Momentum Metropolitan's global presence. Security has never been an afterthought. Access to the facility is controlled and managed by biometric access control system, which scans the retina as well as the body temperature during this pandemic. Collaboration makes us better. To encourage this, the collab area is the first thing you see when you enter the office. This collab area can be easily converted into mini amphitheater for the town hall events. Boardrooms have to be special. Musk, no pun intended, is indeed something. The elevated boardroom can be seen from every corner of the office, which represents the transparency culture that Momentum Metropolitan strongly believes in. With the help of INO, we have used the latest technology for our VC systems, which provides better connectivity. Production area is where the real action happens. Scientifically designed, considering the ergonomics and aesthetics, these workstations provide ample space to the employees while boosting the teamwork. Bearing in mind the millennials who are the new tech force, we have provided additional workstation options in the office like standing workstations as well as poofs. Real plants have been carefully selected and positioned all over the office to improve the air quality. Thanks to the INO team for their immense support to make sure that this office gets seamlessly connected to South Africa and enabling features like fully integrated VC system and room scheduler for each meeting room. All the meeting rooms are VC enabled and have been named after tech giants. These tech giants and their achievements are portrayed on the pillars along with the MMH values on the central pillar of the office to inspire employees. Now let's walk to the favorite area of the employees. The office park have a massive food court which is available for all employees and accessible at all times. But we have our own cafeteria which also serves as an entertainment area for the employees who need to take a break. Have a look. Finally, on behalf of India team, I would like to acknowledge and thank marketing and branding team for their valuable inputs and support, and various INO team members for their technology enablement, and stakeholders for their continued support. With this, we come to end of the official walkthrough of our new office.